Hi, today I would like to show you a new app to earn $250 for free PayPal money per visit. Yeah, this is today I would like to show you the method by which this is the earn money from home method that you can follow along and you can start earning more than $250, and it's very easy if you just follow my step-by-step instructions explained in this video. But before I show you that, welcome to my channel Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $250 free PayPal money. The site, the tools that I'm going to use today is called tiktok.tryjeffrey.com. Yeah, TikTok, it's related to TikTok, but wait, you do not need a TikTok account, you do not need any TikTok followers or anything like that to work with this method. I'm going to show you how you can earn using TikTok, and it's a very cool way to earn money online. So TryJeffrey, this is the site that I'm going to use to earn money online. So what is TryJeffrey? This is a really great TikTok tool to get followers. Lots of followers. People are using all around the world using this TryJeffrey and building their TikTok account very fast and very in a professional way that stands out from others. So this is a really cool way to start if you are a TikTok lover. So you can go over to TryJeffrey and you can see that they are listed in Trustpilot, and they are getting very good ratings from peoples around the world, and this is a really good tools to grow any TikTok account. They have real followers, they are not robots. They have a really detailed dashboard to work with, and they are really smart targeting options that they going to provide you, by which peoples who needs TikTok followers, like if a user have TikTok account for photography and he want followers who loves photography, then TryJeffrey going to provide you that targeted audience to that TikTok account. So this is a really cool way, and this is a 100% secure way to grow any TikTok account, and you can work with many TikTok account with a single price. So this is a really cool site to grow your TikTok followers, and this requires a price. Definitely they're going to provide you followers and traffic and targeted audience to your TikTok account, and to grow your business they need some payment. So don't worry, you do not have to pay anything. We are just going to earn money free from TryJeffrey. So what are we going to do now? So you can browse through the site, learn many things about TryJeffrey, how it works, but the way we're going to earn money from TryJeffrey is just scroll down below, and you can see that they have an affiliate program. Yes, they have an affiliate program. If you click on this affiliate program, the affiliate page will show like this. Wait, you just don't have to promote anything at all. You just have to follow my instructions. That way you can easily promote this affiliate. It's not a hard task. Just follow this video till the end. I'm going to show you two ways by which you can easily and passively, just a one-time work, and you can earn more and more for the lifetime. So how this TryJeffrey going to pay you for affiliation? So affiliations, they're going to pay you 25% of the expense the clients you will bring to Jeffrey. So this is very important. And if a client that you promote if just spend $1,000 here, and you can earn $250 easily without any problem. And this is really cool. They have a minimum of 50 euro that you can reach and ask for payment, and they're not going to delay, they're going to send you the payment. So this is a really cool way to start with this affiliate program. So all you have to do, just input your email, passwords, and click on accept their terms of use and hit create my account button, and you are good to go with the dashboard like this. So this is the simplest affiliate program dashboard. You do not have to wait till they accept you or not. It just, you sign up and start promoting. It's no big deal here. They have just given you the affiliate link here. You can see your affiliate link is here. When you log into your dashboard, it's currently 0 as it's a brand new account. So all you have to do is just click on this button, copy, so that you can copy this link and paste it in somewhere else. You can shorten it using Bitly or anything like that, but this link is already okay with working the way we're going to show right now. So right now I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can promote this offer, and believe me, this is the easiest way and this is the best way to get lots of traffic to your affiliate link. So before I dig into that, if you liking this method, just please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always stay tuned with my videos. So let's move on to the method by which you can promote this affiliate link. Your affiliate link, the first tool that is not going to give you instant traffic or lots of traffic, but it's a free and easy way to start right now, which is called answers.com. Answers.com, you already heard it right. This is a question answer site. People's all around the world asking questions about various things, and people all around the world, experts all around the world, are answering those questions. And this is a really popular site. And if you can go over to the similarweb.com, you can see that answers.com has almost 7 million traffic every month. This is really cool. So all you have to do, just go over to answers.com. You can search for anything related to TikTok. I have searched here for how to get more followers on TikTok, so it's showing me all the questions related to my search query, and you can just see all the questions out there. If you just, for example, click any questions here like this, and you can see these questions show up, and you can see that you can reply. If you just log in and sign up there, join the answer.com, and you can answer these questions. And how you can answer these questions, you can see, for example, one guy already posted a try Jeffrey link here, and just he written that you can get more than hundreds of followers using tools that I have found right now, which is a cool platform to start with. And this is a really cool way to start getting autopilot traffic and super targeted traffic to your TikTok account and grow your account without any problem. And passively you can grow your account. Just head over to this link and you are good to go. So this is the way you can post the answers here, and just see how he posted the link. He left some spaces in the post in the link, so that it's not a clickable link, so it's accepted by answers.com. so there's no problem with that. So just whenever people want to go to these links, he just have to copy it and paste it in the browser and remove those space and hit enter. It's good to go. So this is the way, one way to answer questions in answers.com. But another way, another good way, this is the simplest and easiest way to promote. But if you like have some social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, or anything like that, all you have to do, just go over to answers.com, and you just don't right away post your affiliate link there. You just go write something like, you just read the questions and search it on Google, and you can find more and more answers, and qualified and great answers on Google, and just read those answers and write it into your words and answer it here. And at the end of that answer, you can either promote this link like this, or you can just say that, if you want, I have a great tool. If you want to grow your TikTok account passively and get hundreds of thousands of targeted followers to your TikTok account, I have found a tool. Just contact me to my social accounts and give that social account link there, or anything like that. Or you can paste it your affiliate link as well, so that's okay. But the thing is, you have to give some spaces into your link, so it's not a clickable link, so that's going to accept by answers.com without any problem. So this is the first way, which is not the greatest way to get lots of targeted followers, but it is a great way, because these questions answers is going to stay forever, and Google will crawl these websites and find if anyone in the future search for anything like TikTok, and there is a better chance that answers.com answers will show up in the first place of Google, and you will get lots of traffic using that method. So this is the one way to get followers to traffic to your link. And then the second way that I'm going to show you is called udemy.com. Yes, udemy.com, you heard it already. It's a course and tutorial site. People's experts all around the world are uploading various type of courses about many things, many different categories out there, and they have paid course and free course as well. Lots of categories and courses you can find on Udemy. But if you go over to SimilarWeb and search for udemy.com, you can see that it's a massive more than 100 million visits every month. This is really cool, and this is the biggest site that we are going to target to get super targeted traffics to your affiliate link. So how you can do that? It's a little difficult process, but if you stay and follow my steps, you are good to go. So all you have to do, just click on sign up, and you can sign up there. So all you have to do, when you just browse through, I have searched here like how to grow your TikTok account. Here you can see I have searched how to grow your TikTok account. You can find lots of courses right now listed in udemy.com, and we are focusing on free courses. So you go over to left sections, and in the price sections you can see that it's free. So tick mark these free options here, and it will show all the free courses that are related to TikTok right now. And all you have to do is just follow any type of courses related to TikTok, and just go through the course. And listen to me, what I want you to do, you just go through that course and make it yourself. Rewrite the course as your course. This is very easy. Just don't worry, you just go through their course and learn the course material and write it into your words. That's it. You do not need to make any videos, you do not need to face camera. You just rewrite the course in your words, and then what you can do, just go over to freescreenrecording.com and download this app, or you can also go to screenomatic.com and use their apps as well. Both of them are great. Freecam going to give you free screen recording options without any watermark. So this is a great tools to start with, and you just learn the course, and you just teach it on your computer screen and say it record your voice. That's it. You just screen record your tutorial and read your rewritten course and make the video without any problem using free screen recording software like this. So you are good to go, and you are making this course once, and then when you make this course, you just log into your Udemy account and upload it as free courses. You can also list it as a paid course, but I recommend you list it as a free course using the titles related to your TikTok course, so you can get traffics. You do not have to worry about promotions. You do not need to promote your courses. Udemy already going to promote your courses and bring traffic to your courses without any hassle, but you can promote it on your social media accounts. But day by day, Udemy going to send you lots of traffic to your courses, and at the end of your course, all you have to do is just recommend to try a good tool, that is tryjeffrey.com, and input your affiliate link just at the end of that course, and that's it. You're going to get lots of traffic lifetime. The course is listed there. You will going to get traffic to your affiliate links for the lifetime without any doing anything. You just make that course one time work, and it stay there forever, and it's giving you passive income whenever people go through your affiliate link and buy that tools, and you get commissions. And this is the way, this is the most easiest way and most solid way, because you have your own course. You do not copy from anyone. You just have your own course, and it's going to stay forever and give you traffics, lots of traffics to your affiliate link, and you will earn money from that way. So this is, guys, this is the way to earn money online right now, but you have to be active, then money will follow you. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.